Fisk has asked Sarge Athletics to do a pre-game prep program. And what that is we prepare the athletes for the game. The bottom line is this: if your athlete is not warmed up properly, they're at very high risk of injury. And the older they are, the more serious that risk of injury is. For instance, a high school athlete should warm up about 20 to 25 minutes, consistent warm up before the game. So what we do is put them in a program that's very similar to what a Division I and a college-based program is. Even if they're a rec athlete, even if they're just going to play in high school and they're never going to play more than once a week, that doesn't matter. They still should be warmed up properly in a linear manner, in a lateral manner, in a rotational manner. So the program that we're doing is evidence-based, science-based, so the risk of injury is a lot less. While we're at it, we're going to sprinkle in a little bit of speed work and some strength training. The bottom line, if you don't get stronger, you cannot get faster. You'll see some single leg squats. We don't do enough reps to make them fatigued. So we're doing about 10 reps or less per leg so they won't get fatigued. We're doing some pulling exercises to work the core muscles in the back. We're doing push-up muscles to work the core muscles in the front and the core muscles in the back. And we're doing some other exercises that are very unique to soccer. We're very excited to bring this program to Fisk, and we think your athletes will be very happy. Thank you.